Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to tell you how to transfer your WhatsApp data from your Android device to any HyperOS device. So by the way guys, I am using Redmi Note 13 device which is on HyperOS, and I want to transfer all my chats and data to HyperOS device. So first of all you have to go to three dot option here and then click to settings. After that guys, just go to chats. Now scroll down, here we have an option of a transfer chats. So just tap on a transfer chat guys and then click start. So as you see, we have a scanner here. Now just leave it and then comes to this mobile phone, like comes to HyperOS device. So just tap here and then click agree and continue. Okay, after that guys, just click allow and then choose your country here. So I am choosing my country. Now enter the number here. Okay, after that guys, just tap to next. Okay, after that guys, just choose your country and then enter the number which is login in this device. So enter your this mobile phone WhatsApp number in this device. Okay, after that guys, just click next, click yes, and here we get a code. Okay, so we have a code here. Okay, so as you see, the verification is now complete. Now we have the window of transfer chats history from old phone. Now click continue guys, click continue again, allow the permissions, and then we have a QR code here. So just scan this QR code. As you see, it is done now and it start searching. Okay, now transferring is now start and complete setup on phone. Click done, and as you see, the phone is now logged out from this device. And now when I click next, so I have the profile info name here. So just set profile info name here, and that is it guys. All my chats are now transferred from this device to HyperOS device, and that guys, that's a very accurate method. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.